Oh, dude. Not to alarm anybody, but I think I feel drops of rain. The weather didn't say anything about rain today. That may shut down this whole production. And I didn't bring a tarp. I have the canvas shelter, but I'm definitely feeling some droplets hit me. Are you kidding me? Dude. I'm feeling more and more drops hitting me. I didn't see rain on the forecast. And I have no tarp, literally no tarp at all. I don't even have one in an emergency in the truck because, you know, I'm worried about people breaking into it. If it rains on me, I'm out of, you know, the shoot's over. The bag's delicious, by the way. Maybe I'll walk out to the road in a little bit and see what it's doing. Yeah, I'm feeling more and more drops. There was supposed to be no rain on the forecast. It said cloudy, but not raining. Man, not cool. That may shut me down here. Yeah, I gotta tell you, I'm not happy. Not happy about the weather. It's like if it's just sitting here cooking some bacon. I mean, I hate to sound like a complete wuss, but I am a wuss. I'm the king of the wusses, man. Did I mention that Bannock was excellent? It really was. It was quite good. I kind of let my fire peter down a little bit. I'm sitting here just kind of nursing my fire. Threw a few sticks on, but when my other Bannock, when my bacon is done, I'm going to throw the last of my Bannock mix on. Got some right here, complete with forest spice. I'm really just waiting on the bacon. I have to stoke the fire up just a little bit when I do. Tongs sure come in handy. Man, WTF. Yeah, I'm feeling more drops. I may have to, it may drive me home. Because I know having to take everything home and dry everything out, it's a big pain in the ass. Plus I can't film anything. I mean, I'm under a tree, but yeah, it's definitely raining. Shit. Then I have no rain gear. I have no tarps. I didn't think it was going to rain. Boy, was I wrong. Crap. What the deuce, dude? You guys see that? Yeah, you can. Well, so much for that. Oh, man. Yeah, it's definitely raining. So unfortunately, my deepest apologies to everybody. Let me get the official apology pose. Packing up. I didn't know it was going to rain. I checked the weather and it didn't say anything about rain. So, but now it's raining on me. I could probably tough it out if I had some tarps with me, but I didn't bring any tarps because I was not expecting rain. And I don't have any rain gear with me. I could have put a tarp over the tent and everything else, but dude, I mean, I even made Bannock for dinner. Got that Bannock. Everything was going fine. I had a little touch and go there for a bit because the bugs were really getting at me, but I hate to bail, but bail like the vag I am. But I'm not equipped for weather, for this kind of weather. Cloudy I can deal with. I can deal with cloudy, but I don't have any tarps. And I especially can't film. Wow, that's hot. So, damn it. So I have to carry what I can to the truck, then drive the truck down the road and park out front, and then pack up my shelter as quick as I can and just ball everything up. I got my sleeping pad in there, my pillow in there, my blankets in there. I'm just gonna ball it all up and just carry it out. I'm really annoyed. I know it's May and all, but man, what the heck? Plenty of firewood and everything. So, sorry about the tilt. Camera's on the dash. Dash isn't straight. What are you gonna do? So, 2 words. Very disappointed. I looked at the weather reports. It said cloudy, but it didn't say anything about rain. I don't remember seeing chance of. Excuse me. Always when the camera's on. I drove all the way down the road, probably like 5 miles, not a single hiccup. As soon as I get the camera on, dude. So yeah. So I guess I'll just what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna postpone this outing. Maybe next week. Knock on wood. See what happens. Man. Maybe the weather would be better. Maybe I can find a better spot. I love Raven Camp, but hauling all that stuff out there was kind of brutal. So I don't know if I want to do that a second time. If I just couldn't find a decent side of the road campsite, otherwise I would have gone there. But everything was going fine. I had shelter set up. I was cooking dinner, eating dinner. Bacon and Bannock, 2 wins in my book. And I was just sitting there like, is it a droplet? Like, did I just feel a drop? And I thought I was feeling things, but yeah, and then it just rained. It's like, so I'm gonna go home defeated, tail between my legs, and try again next week. So, knock on wood. If I had any wood, well, I'll just say it, knock on wood. And thanks for watching as always. My apologies again for the weather. What are you going to do? And I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.